How to make photo slide video on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can make a photo slide video on TikTok, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. So if you'd like to make a photo slide video on TikTok, which I'm assuming that you're talking about a slideshow, you want to simply go ahead and actually open up the TikTok application here. Once you open TikTok, there are two ways to do this. First is that you can tap the plus icon here, tap on this upload button, make sure to select multiple here, tap on photos section, and then just go ahead and select the photos that you want to add to your slideshow. But the problem with these type of slideshows is that they really do not add any aesthetic, because you can see it's just a dumb slideshow with some music in it. But what if you want to add a very aesthetically pleasing slideshow? For this, there is also one more step you can do. For this, instead of choosing the photos right away, you want to choose a template. So first come to the templates tab and select the template that you like based on your preference. And if you're wondering about the number of photos, you can see at the top that about the number of photos that it requires for this specific slideshow. So this one basically requires 1 to 6 photos, this one requires up to 5 items. I can go ahead and select the templates that I like here, tap on the upload button, and now I can just go ahead and add them depending on my own will. Then I can just tap the OK button, and then the photo will be added automatically inside of that template, and now you can see a visually pleasing slideshow as well. Of course, there are some music, but I'm just going to mute that for copyright reasons. This way I can make a photo slideshow on TikTok or a slide video. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.